here we are, Rocky Falls. Water's coming down past me. Woo-hoo! This is Katie again, and this is so exciting! Exciting stuff. Millions of gallons of water are coming from the top of the volcanic hill. We're all gonna die! Oh my God! Alright, so someone's gotta find this. Somebody has to find this camera phone when I die. Okay?
Yeah.
And I want you to post this to my family,
To my friends,
I'm Josh Ward,
I'm Katie Week.
and I love you. I love the world. I love my mother
I do, yes.
and all my friends, and they're awesome.
Okay, we're gonna fall.
We're gonna fall. We gotta go. So, got water running by my feet. Okay. Bye-bye.